Welcome to another module. In the last videos, we've told you about one of my secret affiliate vaults, which is Warrior Plus. In this module, we'll talk about another affiliate marketing vault I use to make affiliate commissions. This one is called JVZoo. It's a very popular affiliate marketing website around the globe. The website is www.jvzoo.com, and I'm inside my own dashboard right now. Once you're inside JVZoo, you can register for a free account by inserting your PayPal and your required personal or business information. If you have any apprehensions regarding starting up your account, just go to the PDF guide once again. Now, the big question comes. How do you select the actual offers which are going to convert for you on JVZoo? First, you have to go to Marketplace and click on Top Sellers. Once you do that, JVZoo by default shows you all the top selling offers for today, yesterday, the past 7 days, and the past 30 days. You can be sure these are the high converting offers, and it's more likely they are going to work for you once you send in the right traffic. Another way is to go to Affiliates and you click on Find Products. Then JVZoo shows you all the top offers starting from the first day inside JVZoo. You can also sort them out by the launch date, and you can see the offers in ascending order. You can see here all the offers. You are like inside the ocean of high converting affiliate offers, which you can promote for free and sometimes even keep 100% commissions. How cool is that? In the next video, I'll show you the simple trick on how you get approved inside JVZoo by the product vendors. This is very important for newbies who might get rejected. See you there.